Next up in the stretch series is a modified Thomas stretch, which is another stretch for the quadriceps muscle. So I'm going to be targeting my right leg. For this, you're going to need something to help assist with the stretch. I'm using a stretch strap. You can use a towel or rope or even a dog leash. Now for this stretch, you're going to lay on your back facing up. You're going to scooch the very edge of a surface. So you do need to be laying on an elevated surface for this one. So I suggest either a bed or a couch. Your other leg is going to remain bent on the surface. This helps relax your back. And what you're going to do is drop your other leg off. So I'm targeting my right quadriceps. Now, before I even pull, I want to make sure this leg's not going to deviate out. I want to keep it tight to my body, right in line with my body. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my hand, pull the strap towards me so that my heel goes towards my butt. And I should start to feel a stretch right in the front of the quadriceps muscle here. And then I'm going for a mild to moderate intensity stretch and then holding for time. And then after that amount of time passes, relax a bit before the next set just to give the quadriceps a break. And then again, pulling till you feel a mild to moderate stretch. And you want the stretch to be tolerable so that you can relax and the muscle's not fighting you the entire time. With each set, trying to go a little further in the range.